Welcome to Johnson RV in Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. We'd like to preview briefly a new arrival, 2016 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. Many people have known that Leisure Travel's been building RVs for 53 years, and they take about 6 to 7 weeks to build each model. So their commitment to quality and value and reliability is second to none. As you look at this model, it's easy to see that the fit and finish is first class. Again, Leisure spends so much time on their process and their building quality. As we walk around, this is on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's a quiet, clean burning turbo diesel. This model has a slide out. In this slide out is a Murphy bed or 2 chairs. So we will take you inside and show you how comfortable this coach is. So this 2016 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed, again, is on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. And a few of the nice things about this chassis and this coach are in these Leisure models. Leisure does your French stitching and does a lot of your upholstery upgrading to the chairs and the furniture. So, and both these chairs do swivel around, and these are covered with ultra leather. Your midship chairs are lounge chairs. They have foot recliners. Conveniently located across from these is a huge high definition TV to watch DVDs. You've got an antenna. This has a satellite system optional on it. You can connect a satellite and watch a wide array of video venues. Behind these chairs come down and is your Murphy bed with a very, very comfortable sleeping mattress. Talking about Leisure and the quality and the workmanship of the materials that they use and the time that they invest in their products, they're absolutely gorgeous. Stainless steel, nice touch. 2 burner. Got a place for garbage, or you can put ice and keep your drinks cool. You look at the curved cabinetry and the quality woods, quality hinges, first class. This coach has ducted air conditioning from front to rear. For a approximately 24 to 25 foot motorhome, look at the size of the shower. You can't get a shower like this in a straight class B. This B plus has a lot of comfort. Look at this huge closet with a hanging rack for clothing. Nice smooth glides, ball bearing glides. Pantry, plenty of room for whatever you want to put in there. Look at the space in the refrigerator and the freezer. This model has a convection microwave. Again, 53 years in building RVs, Leisure Travel's compared to none. This is one of our new arrivals of a beautiful premium pre-owned. If you'd like to see this, please call before you do. We don't want you to make a wasted trip. They don't last very long. Phone number 253-286-0833. Johnson RV, Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. Thanks for watching.